elders, I can see your faces is not bright, but I don't think we went for a failed mission.
How do you mean? Were you not there when she proclaimed our words useless?
No, don't take it like that. I am assuring you that there is no way Queen Nora will convince her son to crown Ikemba after our plea. It's not possible.
I saw it. Can't you see now that Queen Dorothy is now her friend? Can't you see?
Listen to me. You were able to pestering me. Let us go and see her. Now that we have gone there. Now, let us go home and digest our words. Use your wisdom. You at least the old man used to look for something inside bag. Try to understand what played that in that palace.
Umbakwe, I disagree with you on this one. Wow. I regret ever going to see her in the first place. Anyways, my day is ruined already. Please, let us just go home. Let's just go home.
Take it easy.
The prince is in town. I don't know where exactly. Probably in a hotel. But I want you to fish him out wherever he is.
Yes, boss.
Search in hotels in town. Make your calls, your investigations, do everything you can to get to him.
Yes, boss.
And when you do, report directly to me.
Yes, boss.
Won't you leave that chef alone? What is your problem?
I will not. Talking like you don't like him.
Like? Did I hear like from your mouth?
Mm-hmm.
Like who? That local chef. So I have not seen the prince to like. It is that local champion I will fall for. Look, let me tell you. I don't even know why you and Ifunanya are busy throwing yourselves at that local champion.
You see? Which Ifunanya?
You and Ifunanya. Ifunanya in this palace. How many Ifunanya do you know? How many Ifunanya do you know? I don't know what is so special about him. But they did not bring that guy into this palace for you guys to be having a fantasy on. Leave him alone.
Ifunanya is trying me. Ifunanya na one. Ifunanya, like Ifunanya, is throwing herself at my chef.
Wait.
My own chef.
My how?
Yay! I will deal with her. I will roast her alive. Ifunanya. Enwekwebe for Ifunanya.
You will roast Ifunanya. You want to deal with Ifunanya? You are going to see trouble. Go wake him up.
Why don't you even stand by me for once?
Ada,
yes.
Please, I'm here for a favor. Okay. I need your help. Yes. Sorry. My mother is dying at the hospital. So I need some money.
Okay.
I promise I will pay back. Yes, please.
There's no problem now. How much?
100,000 can go. So at least I can work hard to pay you back.
There's no problem now. I can even give you 150,000 naira.
Yeah?
Now.
Are you serious?
Yes. What are friends for?
Give me now, please. I'll pay back.
You see, this money, it comes with condition.
Condition?
Yes.
Tell me now. Tell me the condition. I can do anything.
If I, you will have to sleep with me for full 1 year. That is the condition.
I don't understand. You mean I will come to your house and stay with you for 1 year? Full 1 year before I give me the money.
If I, why are you behaving like a child? If I just come to my house and service me, then I will give you the money.
Service you? You mean Megremo?
If I...
Before you can give me the money. Don't they touch me now? Stop touching me. Are you joking or you are serious about this thing?
I am not joking.
How can I service you when you are married? I don't get it.
I
know.
know.
Married woman.
Yes, I know that I'm married. But my husband is not doing it well. So I need a strong hand. A hard hand that will handle me, will take care of me, will charge me well. If I...
Ada, don't tell me you're serious about this issue.
Oh, you don't want to do it?
Stop this joke now. Please help me with this money now. Help me.
Since you don't want to do it, bye-bye.
Ada? Please now help me with this money. I need this money. I will pay you back.
Yes, Yoko. Anyway, when you are finished begging, you can leave my job. Since you are not serious.
Who's there?
Hello? Yes. Yes, I'm in the room now. Yes, it's like he's sleeping. Yes, I use the Yankee. Okay.
God, what is all this? How do I raise money now? This is so frustrating. I cannot imagine myself sleeping with a married woman just to make money. God, what will I do right now? I don't want my mother to die. God, please help me.
My princess, he is the only prince found in the whole hotel.
I see. Young man, what is your name?
Who are you and what do you want from me?
What is your name? Simple question. Answer!
My name is Princess Zenwa.
Oh. He is a prince. Prince Ezenwa. Did you hear him?
Where are you from and who is your father?
Boy, listen and listen very good. I'm a very busy man and I do not have all the time in the world. You will speak!
I've told you already. My name is Princess Zenwa. I just came back from abroad. I don't have idea of this whole thing that is going on here.
Oh, really? You are the one who came all the way to come drag my brother's throne with him, right?
Intruder. Intruder.
Aha. So you are the one that came to take my throne. I am Prince Ikemba, strength of the people. No one will take my throne. And trust me when I tell you that you will regret why you came back. You will surely regret.
Boys.
Yes, my queen.
End it.
They have soiled their hearts because of the truth. It's breaking my heart. What you are doing, defending my Ona manya miri, ona itiwa kwabio. They have soiled their hearts because of the truth. It's breaking my heart, it's making me to cry. Defending my
Princess, I have never been this worried. Your brother is not picking his calls, and I need to speak with him right now.
Perhaps he's busy.
I need to speak with your brother. I need to speak with him.
Mother, what is the matter? What is the matter? Talk to me.
I have never been this worried. He needs to come. He needs to talk with the state petroleum minister. He called me. He scheduled a phone meeting with him and he needs to pick his call right now.
Mother, I can represent my brother. I can. I should even be on my way to that place right now.
I wish I wanted him to do that.
Mother, I can do this. I have been doing it since he left the palace. Yes. I don't need you to worry yourself at all. Please, Mother, come and sit down. Please. Think of you. Mother, please. Please calm down. Calm down. Just come and sit down. Please.
I still want to speak with him regardless.
My brother is fine. Okay? I'm sure he's fine. Just calm yourself. Let me handle everything. I promise you I will. Yes, Mother.
Oh, you're back?
Yes, Mother, I'm back.
So how was the outing?
Oh my God. Mother, you don't have to worry yourself. We will talk about it later. I'm just tired. I need to go rest my head. Please, Mother. Excuse me.
Boys.
Yes, my queen.
Dispose him.
Yes.
Make sure you leave no trace.
Yes, my queen.
I am going to be king, and no man born of a woman will stop me.
That's right, my son.
Hey, family. We stand for each other.
We sure do.
We stand strong.
Forever, my God.
Let's go. Boys! You know the code.
Yes, my princess.
Meet me at the usual place.
Yes, my princess. Thank you.
After this.
They have soiled their hands.
Honestly, I don't know what to do again. I don't know what to do. I am tired. Honestly, I am tired, Ify. How is Mama? Ify, my brother, please, you have to try. I know you are trying, but try harder. Try your best. Eh? Please try. Yeah. Please, my brother, just try your best. Okay. I'll call you back.
Look at her. I heard you've been throwing your ugly body at my boyfriend. Chelupa. So all these village champions are not good enough for you. It's my own Chef Inyezi that you took interest in. It's Chef that you want. Ifoma, answer me! Ifoma, leave my look. You're looking for trouble. Stay out of this. This is none of your business. You. Okay. Come back here, my friend.
You can go before they'll see you through the CCTV.
She will forever regret not leaving this palace when we asked her to leave. She was feeling too important and needy. Not anymore.
The only virgin in our kingdom. My daughter.
Yes, mother.
How is it going between you and the princess of our Mugo kingdom?
Great.
And she's getting along with your brother?
Perhaps. Who doesn't want to be queen? My mother. I need to go in now, freshen up, and rest my back for a while.
They have soiled their hands because of the truth. It's breaking my heart, it's making me to cry. Defending my This life is not the way you think, and it cannot give you all your wishes.
My prince, I'm here for us to talk like men. Please help beg the queen to let Ifunanya go. She has been under punishment for so long now. No food, no water. Please, I beg you, my prince.
Chef,
my prince,
I need you to leave my presence now.
Very well, my prince.
Chef, always challenging me. I wonder where he got the gods from. We shall see who rules this kingdom.
Ikemba, what is the problem?
Mother, the elders have not felt the absence of the second prince. The guy we eliminated 2 days ago.
Do you care about that? He's off the way, that is final.
I am worried. They should have said something by now.
Ikemba, you need to develop a strong heart. When the going gets tough, we grow tougher. You don't need to worry yourself about anything. He is dead, and there is nothing anyone can do about it. And if anyone dares come again, we will crush the person.
They have soiled their hands here because of the truth. It's breaking my heart, it's making me to cry.
This must be a top secret among us. They must never know that we are communicating with the prince.
But it's been days now since we heard from him last. Shouldn't we be bothered?
But the prince said he will be traveling to Abuja to meet up with some demand. He is trying to revamp His Majesty's company.
In fact, we have to continue protecting and guiding the prince. Because Dora and the children, they are very desperate for the throne. We shouldn't disappoint our dying king.
You are right, Chokoro. That is our major aim. That's the reason of our meeting and remeeting. Until the emperor is installed.
Why is the installation taking this long?
Odogu, there are certain things you need to know. Huh? There is something going on in that palace now that even the least of the royal family have no idea about it. Eh? I will discuss that later with you.
I am in a serious relationship. I'm so sorry.
Chima, you cannot tell that to the king in the making. I will make you my queen.
I am already a queen.
Who is the prince?
Let's just say someone you may know in the nearest future. I am in a distant relationship. He lives in London.
Oh, come on. You speak of London like it's a big deal. I mean, I go there like every other week just to charge my phone. Nevertheless, now tell me, why would a beautiful princess like you be keeping a distant relationship? He will be cheating on you, I can tell you. Relationships like that are built on lies and deceit. You deserve better.
Enough about me. Let's talk about you, Prince Ikemba. Do you have a girlfriend?
Romantic girl. Well, I do not have a girlfriend.
You don't mess around?
Not at all.
Are you faithful in all?
Very faithful.
You don't mess around?
Not at all.
I see. It's fine.
Chima, you will be my queen when the time comes.
Until then.
Sir, my manager is here.
Come.
Okay, sir.
How dare you address me as a sir? I am a prince. You will address me as a prince. I will not be this kind the next time. Get out. Nincompoop.
I am deeply sorry about that, my prince.
Ah, it's fine. I'm on a lighter mode today. I'm here with my princess. Ah, a quick one. I like this place. It's cozy and new. It's in my land. It's in my land. In my territory.
Yes, my prince.
Aha. That simply means that you will not attend to anyone or let anyone walk in through that door as long as I'm still here. Do you understand?
Of course, my prince.
Very good. We want fish pepper soup. Not too spicy. Get it ready. And be sure to serve it yourself. Waiters and waitresses do not serve me.
Right away, my prince.
Get out. Aha! Are you okay, my princess?
Yes. Yes, I'm okay. Can I ask you a question?
Sure, my princess.
Is that the way you shut people out from walking into anywhere you are?
Yes. I am a prince and a king in making. They cannot be close to me. Eat or drink anywhere I'm sitting. It is degrading.
I see. Sorry if you don't mind. Can I ask you another question?
Mm-hmm.
For example, I own this bar, and then you walk in to drink. Then you go ahead to shut out other customers. They will leave to other bars to have their fill. Now at the end of the day, do you think I will gain or lose?
It's very simple. I do not care if you gain or lose.
Wow.
Actually, I pay double of whatever you lose. I am a very kind prince.
So, I take it you've done the math to know how many customers and how much I'm ought to make at the end of the day for you to give me the exact amount. Is that what you're telling me?
You have a good sense of humor, but I have made my point clear. Let us drink, my princess.
I see.
They have killed my son. They have killed the heir to the throne. My only son.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Take it easy on yourself.
What crime did he commit? What did he do wrong? Where did he go wrong? He was only trying to run away from his father's enemies. Yet they found him. I killed him. I told him not to go. I asked him to stay in London, but he refused.
It's okay. Hold yourself. All will be well.
He must carry out the vision his father sent him. Now, where is he? Ah!
Stop crying. Wipe your tears.
Mother.
That's my princess.
What is happening here?
They killed her son, the heir to the throne.
Oh, this is bad news. I'm so sorry, my queen. So sorry. Please take heart. Stop crying, please.
Hold yourself. Hold yourself.
My only son. What was his crime? What did he do?
Please stop.
The only heir to the throne.
Mother.
This is very disheartening.
It is. Please stop crying. I beg of you.
I've heard all we discussed, my elders. Thank you all for everything.
You're welcome. Thank you very much.
You people are like my friends now. Well, in the absence of any other thing, I have to take my leave now.
Elders, why the delay in killing my husband? Is it not better we lay him to rest than suffer him on earth?
I will take my leave now.
Nobody walks out on Her Majesty while she's still talking, young man.
I'm sorry, but I'm not one of your subjects.
Are you the one they are projecting to become the king?
I don't understand you, Your Majesty. What are you talking about?
Anyway, I don't care. I will go ahead and lay my husband to rest. I don't care. I don't need to seek anybody's consent. Not even the unseen priest.
She will not do such a thing. She can't do that.
I have to take my leave now. Thank you for everything. Thank you all for everything.
It's all right. We are grateful. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you.
Our king must not die. Our king must live under my watch. He must not die. They call me. Come on, Chef. Come on, Chef. Come on, Medi. Come on, Medi. Come on, come on. Manandreza di Fanaka. Manandreza di Fanaka. Come on, Chef. Come on, Chef. Come on, Medi. Come on, Medi. Come on, come on. Manandreza di Fanaka. Come on, Chef. Come on, Medi. Come on, come on. Manandreza di Fanaka.
Yes, Your Majesty. I am observing.
Of evil people.
Your Majesty, this is the first time you're writing to me. They say you don't talk, but write. I promise you I will never leave. But Your Majesty, I would like to know how you got to this.
Come on, Chef. Come on, Chef. Come on, Medi. Come on, Medi. Come on, come on. Manandreza di Fanaka. Manandreza di Fanaka. Come on, Chef.
Here is not conducive for the document. It is not safe. I have an intelligent criminal for a son. An IT brainwave for that matter. I just spotted him right now. And he's been away for the past 4 months after he stole my money. They ran away. I'm sure... Yes, I'm sure he has squandered the money right now and he has come for more. So you can see why I'm not comfortable with it. So I need you to call the lawyer right now, please. Because I wonder why he had to bring the document to me this night in my palace. Please call him to come and take the documents away from here. Yes, I'm worried. I am
really, really worried. Come in.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
This place, you came by this room?
Yes, Your Majesty.
When did he return?
Just about 15 minutes ago, Your Majesty.
Okay, you may leave.
Yes, Your Majesty.
The phone is switched off, but it just left my palace. How come? It's okay. Wait. I can't leave these documents here tonight. Maybe I should take it to Mbakwe's house. Then I'm sure it's safe.
Son just stole my document here. Yes.
My son?
Yes, your son is a thief. He has stolen my document.
My son cannot do a thing like that. Why are you yelling? Any little thing you will start calling my son's name.
What's the meaning of that? Your son is a thief. He's a gambler.
My son is not a thief.
Where is your son? Where is he?
How dare you? How dare you ask me such silly question?
Dorachi, where is your brother? Where is your brother? He got into my room and stole a document from my briefcase.
Look at the way you're asking about your son as if...
Woman, look, I'm not talking to you. The last time he came to this palace, he made away with 4 million naira using my signature. Did you say anything? No. And now he's back. Obviously, he has squandered the money. And that's why he got to my bedroom to steal a document that does not belong to me. My partners will jail me. So I need my document. I need my son. Where is my document?
Mother, I have to go in and rest. This noise is becoming unbearable for me.
What have I done to deserve this? Hello, DPO. Yes, I need you to send your boys. Yes, I need you to send your boys to every hotel in this town. I need you to send your boys to all the brothels in this town. Even to the clubs. Yes, I'm talking about my son. Yes, and I want you to get him dead or alive. Exactly.
How dare you? How can you ask them to kill my
Shut
son?
up!
Do you know what you're doing? Oh, you wanted to kill my son?
Your Majesty, you are here all alone without the gas. What's going on? Please talk to us. Give me a cup of water. Yeah, excuse me. Where's that? Give me water. Hey, give me water. Hey, no. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Don't allow it to follow. Please don't allow it to follow. Your Majesty. What is it? Your Majesty. What is it? Your Majesty.
Namu chekeze okuru nona kama keke sapano kamwe kenzu ejego egotenzu werenzu maide weronye nwuranwu onye na-agba nzu ọ na-ada unyi anike onye na-agba nzu ọ na-ada unyi aka mara nzu medo ọ na-ada unyi amakwa m ihe ndị agwachi m n'oke ọkpa mmọnwụ na-akarịkwa n'ọkpụkpa ụmụ ogbohosi were ke n'ogbo nduru ọkụ dị nọ na-ewu ike ewepụta ka ọ nọchiwa n'odogwu ebube dike.
That's our island. I sent for you. I don't think I can survive this. My wife and my children have dealt with me. Prince Ikemba stole the documents of the company I was to have partnership with. He scammed them using my name and my signature. No. Oh no. They have taken over my company. I was trying to revamp my property. And yet I am still in debt. I don't think I can get up from this bed. Illness is getting worse and worse. I felt I should tell you about all this. May you all swear to continue to be faithful and keep the secrets until it is time to reveal it.
We swear by the gods of our land, Your Majesty.
Thank you. Anyone that goes against this or try to read this to my wife and my wicked children about what I want to tell you, probably intention to hurt. May the gods of our land visit such person with death.
Say, Your Majesty, speak.
I have another son.
Let her deliver the baby over there. I will come and see them, all right? All
yes,
right?
Yes, Your Majesty.
Precious.
Your Majesty.
No left ear must hear this.
I swear by the gods, I will serve you with total submission. No ear will hear about this, Your Majesty.
Especially my wife.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Yes, they are coming in tomorrow. Something very important I must tell you. I want it confidential, especially if the child is a male child. It's all right. The guards and the maids, yes.
I have chosen him. Let the Emperor of Amokwe Kingdom know this. Do not allow them to harm him. And on no account should anyone do anything without the notice of my son. The king of Mokwe Kingdom. My old good friend. I pray that he will crown my son after I would have joined my ancestors.
But Your Majesty, unfortunately, the king of Amoku is no more.
My friend is no more. My friend is no more. All my friends are going. What am I still doing here?
Your Majesty, please. Please, you cannot question the gods. They know the best, please.
Kimber must not be allowed to wear the crown. If he does, the kingdom will be in great turmoil. Please, protect and guide my son. He will come and dwell with you like a commoner until the day of his coronation. This is why I have called you.
na mụ wuchie kezie na mejehe kotokwu na ana m ekwere mmọnwụ egwu ebube dike o.
Ichiobi.
My queen, your majesty.
Tell me what the king said to you in private.
My queen, that is not possible. I can't begin to sing like a bird. It's an off-the-record discussion.
Oh. It's about my son, right?
I didn't mention that, your majesty.
Ichiobi and Ichiezenwa. I know both of you are poor and wretched.
Obviously.
But I am a kind prince. Out of my own benevolence, I have decided to reward you 1 million each for that little piece of information. Now tell me, what did he say to you elders?
My prince, you just said 1 million naira
each.
Aha! I see you like money a lot.
You can go. Okay.
I'm sorry, your majesty. We have to leave now.
Let's keep going and coming.
Let us go, your majesty.
Keep going now. What's the matter? Go and coming.
Follow them up. I think he needs favor.
Even without money, he will sing like a bird.
He's hungry. I will feed him and extract the information.
How could you? You want to break the oath? We vowed not to break the oath until the necessity arises.
Did I tell you that I'm going to talk? Or did you hear that I've talked? I will not talk, period.
You had money and your mouth open wide. Don't allow money kill you. It is not only you who needs money.
So you think I'm a fool? I will not talk and I vow not to talk. Please, just go your own way. Go and let me be.
Be very, very careful. Don't you dare the gods. The Igwe is not a tool for the gods. Be very careful. I have warned you. I have warned you. You must be very, very careful.
Get away, go away.
Be very, very careful.
So this small leather, I will deal with you.
Don't dare the
Shut
gods.
up your mouth there.
We shall see. Look at you. I have warned you. You must be very, very careful. Look, at your age, you don't know what is right. Nonsense. We shall see. I will so deal with you.
₦1 million. I've never made up to even 500,000 naira in my life. No, the gods must understand that there's hunger in the country and in the land. I'm very hungry. The king is not feeding me. It's not my headache if they kill themselves. I let them kill themselves. I will go and take the money. Yes, I must go and take the money. Yes, it's important. I'm going to the palace. I'll take the money. Yes, not take the money. I need money now. I go now. Here, come on.
I want to go. Let me go. I am scared. He wants to rape me.
I know, Ifunanya. But remember, you made the king a promise to serve him for as long as he's alive.
How did you find out?
I know a lot of things, Ifunanya. I know why you're here. I know about the secret water. I know the importance of your presence. I know everything.
Chef.
My prince.
How dare you interrupt my moment?
I'm very sorry, my prince. I only tried to save an innocent.
Now listen